So here one, if you are trying to build some sort of a voice agent, so these are the three platforms that you should really look after. It will be ranging from very hard or very easy to set up towards self-hosted, uh, self-deployment kind of style. So let's get started. So first, I would really like to show you Vapi. Vapi is a fully managed voice agent builder solution, something like that. So you can just go to vapi.ai and you just log in. I'll just show you how its whole thing is done. Um, I already have an account in Vapi, so I'm just going to log in over here. So yeah. So I'll just give you a walkthrough. So you can build many type of assistants over here. You can see you create a new assistant, and you can just create multiple assistants like that. You can give the system prompt over here. Click on go to voice and you can use custom providers such as Level Labs or DeepGram or anything. You can use different transcribers or solution also. Currently using DeepGram. I actually really like DeepGram as a transcriber. Then we have tools. You can create multiple tools. You just go back to here tools. You can create custom tools. You can also connect MCP servers, call APIs, transfer calls, add things to Google Sheets. Everything is actually just click button, click over here. You don't have to write any code. So that's the whole idea of Vapi. You can build really good powerful agents without touching any code. So that's the whole selling point of Vapi. I really love it. If just one of use cases I usually just build with Vapi. You can also deploy this with kind of with other telephony stuff. So if you go to advanced section, uh, HIPAA compliance, I think you should pay more extra for that one. But there is telephony support. Like, yeah, yeah. So I think you can use Twilio and the setup phone number so that you can add the voice agent. So you can the others can talk to the voice agent via just phone. Uh, So these all features are Vapi is a really good, powerful tool if you don't want to code or if you're not trying to build something, which is very scope narrow in the way like, this is a really good tool if you don't want to have, let's say, what's the best way to put it? If you don't want more control over in yourself. So this is just, you're just outsourcing all the headaches to Vapi. It just might be a bit more expensive if you did compared to a self-hosted version, but it's very easy to set up and very easy to change. So that's one very good tool for building voice, that is Vapi. Then we move on to the next version, which is called LiveKit. Now LiveKit is actually the people who use LiveKit are really good customers. I think LiveKit customers are also OpenAI. I'm not sure if they're still OpenAI is being used till now, but uh, you know, uh, most of the companies are actually using LiveKit from OpenAI, XASP. So they usually provide web sockets. So with the help of web sockets, that's how the communication is done. The pricing actually is very cheap. I think if you go to the pricing section, you can actually do a lot of things in the free tier itself. Um, you can, as the same as you can create agents, but these agents don't have any some sort of prompt or something. Yeah, but the best way to build like an agent is actually via code. Just go and creating the downloading making LiveKit SDK and then configuring the agent like that, passing the system on tools. Uh, this is I wouldn't recommend doing LiveKit implementation via browser. It's better to just install LiveKit SDK and build things over there. This is a really good if you want to build something that is highly scalable, use there a lot of people, which also doesn't actually cost that more. Then I would really recommend you try to go and build LiveKit. It's a really good tool. It's scaled. Many people are using it. It's a really good tool, and the free session also is more than enough for you. So yeah, then we come to the third place, and then there's Pipecat. Pipecat. Now, Pipecat is fully open source. There's a company behind it. They have more paid stuff. It's more of uh, uh, it's less open source contributors. More like they have their own team. That's what they built. But Pipecat is fully built on the open source community and grounds. This is they for Pipecat you can actually get a Pipecat cloud instance, but if we go back to deployment part, they actually do have a managed Pipecat solution, but Pipecat, if you want to really use Pipecat, I think it's more like if you want to do everything on your own, yeah, you can also run Pipecat with AWS or something. So I usually I don't know if you ask the difference between Pipecat and Pipecat. Not really into that because I have not delved into Pipecat that much. But in the if you know, as an overview, they both LiveKit and Pipecat has the same use case and the feature, almost same. But if you want something which is more open source, which is more community maintained, and if you want to have more control of it, you can actually focus and build on things, or if you own. I'm not saying basically LiveKit is also not open source. LiveKit is, I think, LiveKit is actually also open source, but I think the few of the components are actually open source. So yeah, if you want a fully open source community maintained stuff, then that is Pipecat. Uh, if you want build something scalable, then of course use LiveKit. If you don't want to code, you just need to build things, then please feel free to use Vapi. So these are the three main voice agent frameworks which I would recommend to you. Please check all the three of them. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Maybe we can cover, like it implementation, Pipecat implementation, or Vapi implementation in the future video. That's
So hey folks, if you need any help building AI voice agents, just visit tunia.xyz and book up a meeting and let's talk about it. So that's for this video. Thank you and bye. Have a nice day.